The thing is leather.
Yeah, that one.
Pure leather, yeah.
Yeah, pure leather.
How did you acquire your first capital to start? What has resulted in this?
Time came when I got fed up for employment, and then I talked to my boss. I said, boss, I feel like I should do my own work. Yeah, so he gave me these machineries on loan. He said, Jacob, take this machine and go and start your work. But in the beginning, I used to operate all these machines as a single person. So now they are able to do something even if I'm not around.
Whether they are rioting or not, you go to school, you come out of school, we must build as a people, as a state, as government, we must build the culture of putting aside money to promote anybody who has come up with something like this, who is not looking for a job, but who seeks to create jobs for others. That one I can say. That, other than, we must walk the talk. If we're going to say, go for practical education, yes, but you need the tools. After you've acquired the tools and you produced, you need the market. So the role of government should be, we call it distributive justice. Either you allow everybody to get equitable distribution of national resources, or you allow everybody equal opportunity to access those national